Continuing with lineage and the concept of lineage in art, we've already talked about how it's a broad term and there's different meanings. But the main meaning in art of depicting lineage teachers, be they a teaching lineage, an institution lineage, a family hereditary lineage, or a incarnation, tulku lineage, they all appear generally the same way. So with a scroll painting or a mural, at the top of the composition, above the central figure, you will find rows of smaller secondary figures. Now, this is where you begin with trying to identify the lineage, if there is a lineage depiction within a painting. Sometimes it could be the 84 Mahasiddhas, and it's not representing a lineage at all. So you need to be able to recognize that as well. But there are four main types of or styles of depicting the lineage beginning at the top of a composition. And the first is linear. Linear is where the first figure of the lineage, which is Shakyamuni Buddha or Vajrapani or Manjushri, is depicted at the viewer's top left of the composition. So when you're looking at a mural or you're looking at a scrollwork painting hanging on the wall, then you look to the top left of the painting. And then the figures are then placed in a series moving towards the right. That is called a linear. Once they get to the end of the top row, then they jump down to the row below and then again cross over to the right. If there's a central figure in the way, then they alternate from the left to right, left to right, left to right. That's linear. The second is alternating. Now, first of all, linear is the earliest. Linear we find quite early in art. Then we have alternating. Alternating is where you have the secondary figures of the lineage placed along the top with the Buddha figure or the Vajrapani or the Manjushri placed at the center of the top of the composition, and the lineage alternates to either side from the central figure. When they get to the end of the row, then again they go to the row below, and then again they alternate back and forth from either side of the central figure, all the way, partially the way down the composition of the scroll work, or all the way to the bottom. If it's a very long lineage, it can go all the way to the bottom. Very short lineages might only be in the top register or a little bit below on the second or third. So this is an introduction to the first two of the four types of ways of depicting lineage in Tibetan painting.